Brother Solo just arrived. We have Madiba in the building. We have a lot of people, MC Godsend. I know my junior colleague, I've been my senior colleague. If you call me, you won't talk. But I believe that my junior colleague. Alright, we have Jude Wewe, the Cambodian Lord right here in the building. Even every other person on screen, Cambodian Lord, I'll get my own. So right now, we have Valorous in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up as I make some noise! Now too much for Valorous, DJ Killer.
My name is Carlos baby. It's your state. I'm offended. This is Martin of Spain. I'm going to make some noise. Yes. I love you. I love you. I trust you. You trust me. Your love is with you. Oh, my happiness. I trust in you. You trust in me. Your love is with you. Oh, my happiness. I realize it was I was wrong to you. Hey, baby, you trust it. Forgive me. I don't know. I test the differences. You are my lover. I want you back. I don't know what the best one for. I want them to for me. And here I go. They come for me. Don't say I am so fine. Shine. Yeah, I trust in you. You trust in me. Your love gives me hope and happiness. I trust in you. You trust in me. Your love gives me hope and happiness. I realize I was wrong to you. Baby, please forgive me. I don't know what. Makes sense to me. On the rest of it, I yourself. Baby, I love you. I need you. Every night I play and pass for you. That is why I trust in you. I realize I trust your prayer. Forgive me, girl. I wish I could fly to the sky. To right on when the young and long. I wish I could. Oh, baby, be trusted. I'm a better. Still down the sleep. And I wish I could fly. I'm not inside. I trust in you, you trust in me, your love is me. Oh, my happiness. I realize it past. I was wrong to you. Baby, please forgive me. I don't know what. Ourselves, we've everything together. I said, no, I'm too late.
Hey, artist, come now. Your papa, mama can spray you for your nonsense. Come. A joke. Come in. Come. You don't wear joggers, wear shoe. Come patching for neck. Come talking. Come potting neck. Come. Now I want you. If you perform, not jump again. I want this minute. My brother go and learn Taylor. Can't you? Madiba on a day here, on the cities on the top. I'm channel nonsense. Continue.
Hello now. Igbo no good. Say no to drug. Say no to drug. Now the same Igbo, now somebody smoke, they go carry gram the come. Which up he jump. Make it jump. It's your brother. What did I hear talk? But the people that say get people who are in spray. And I know be sure. I know say that money won't spray. That papa, if you don't return that year, that power will go return up. So you know get how he be. Who get there? We have a lot of people in the building. We have you, way, the Cambodian Lord in the building. Those are big money spender. We have everybody in the building. We have 3.6 in the building. We have Gossett in the building. But I said my senior colleague or my junior colleague, I don't know. So right now, let's give it up as I make some noise for who be the artist who want to perform. Who want to perform? I bet they give us light. So Martin said if they don't bring light, they don't they perform. The likes of, may I not mention your name. The likes of Mercy, Pain. God said.
Later. When I give up my own, later I transfer for you. And that don't put my own, nobody else transfer for you. So then they waste time. Now give up my own. I should continue. My brother from Onimata, none of the delay. Oh wow. The person will talk with the person now. Boss, my own are 4811016158. Echo Bank. As I say, Echo Bank, I think I say SIM Bank when they use it. Now, back when they don't get they suspect us. Why don't they remember you now for the videos? I'm one of the finest Nollywood actresses. One lady we respect so much right here in Nigeria and across Europe. She will travel to anyhow. Someone that actually looks like her name, whether you like it or not, she's been there for years. Ladies and gentlemen, no entertainer in Edo State will invite this man when not the support. No entertainer one man they will be this man when this man not the support. I'm talking about a man that owns one of the biggest hotels in Edo State. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO, the MD, the founder of Cambodia Lodge is in the building. The great Jude, rolling, coming to the call. I better not clap for him. He's in the building, Daddy. Let's go, boss. Yes, so that Jude rolling. Some people don't know him. Are you trying to recording? You want low? You want off? All right, quickly we are going straight to the launching. My name is MC Gossett, the Messiah of Comedy. When I clap for me now, I never start to. Madiba, you bring boys, I never know their name. I've introduced them. I will know their name very soon. Huh? Waiting. Now, okay, you follow me, come. Not be you bring boys, come. See where president tonight. He doesn't say you don't do your marriage pass now for God. If I say yes, they're my boss. Because you never do that, you call them man. I say B. I say B. I understand. I was like you before. I understand. Just that my own didn't work. You get why? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right away we're going straight to the launch. This CD is 13 tracks. Anybody who not feel launch this CD today? Now. Because of the numbers I'm there.
sword when they in the sword. The guy where they take off. I believe there's key plot.
Special counsel. She's always with her. No need to introduce him. No need. Come in. If you don't do 15 years on screen, we're going to introduce you. Who again? Okay. Come on, I got the point there to me. Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen,
as we make some noise for brother, Oga, sister, Oku, Solo. You know, go here, go chop pepper soup. You know, chop pepper soup. Gossip. See. Brother, Solo, can we have you right here? We don't get time to wait.
I can run from Benin to Lagos, but that's solo. More than clap for that performance now. We are not clap for them. But they see them for TV, for internet. Now it be this solo. Now say rich, now say rich. That guy say you not get joke. No man, you get joke. Be careful for your performance. Only that one on joke. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are here because of our brother and friend, one man that traveled abroad to represent this state and the most popular nation, Nigeria, black nation we have across the world, Nigeria. The man sing one song, the songs scatter everywhere. And of course that song today, people see they flow with her. Everywhere pepper soup. No artist from Nigeria when they talk about that song. No DJs when they play that song. He came back and said he wants to give back to the society. And of course, he had this first album. One of the finest albums we have presently. So ladies and gentlemen, this album contains 13 tracks. The first one, Prayer, Beautiful Baby, Wese Baba, Billion Billion, featuring Gussie, Edo Gospel, Everywhere Pepper Soup. The remix featuring Gussie is also here. Osaito is also here. Accept My Tithes, Time Shall Tell, Everywhere Pepper Soup. The We Everywhere Pepper Soup, of course. Bara Bara, Enter the Place, Baby, Don't Go, featuring Busy. Ladies and gentlemen, 13 tracks for one man. I better not clap for the man now. Come on, put the hands together for this man. I hear say family there. If you know you're a family member, can I see your hand up? I'm not a clap now. Family, if you love your song, put your hands together for your song. He not try. He not make una proud. He not make una proud. One I call the quiet. Your mama there. Mommy there. No, the woman went born now. Not be borrow post. Mommy, can you move your? Oh, please put your hands together for Marcelo Mo. Mommy, stand up, let us see you. Stand up. You bump better picking. Thank you. Is that the woman stand attention? This cloth when you wear, Marcelo, this one for you. Say, Mommy, don't want disgrace of. Wear better clothes. I want to appreciate the family. Thank you for coming. And of course, the friends and well-wishers, all the entertainers that came. They are here. Popular entertainers that you know from this state. Like I see my brother, do I know? Madiba is in the building. Madiba, congratulations. You just got married. The first set. The second one, they come for August. Am I correct? August. You are not a man. You don't join the league. Small boy before. Rubbish. Congratulations. And also my brother. Yes, my idiot. Very stupid mommy. And chop. I see the wrong. Yes. Solo? Alpha. You follow come. Is that your wife to be? Or your wife already? Your wife already or your wife to be? Wife to be. Wow, you like better. Madam. Madam. Manager. Young manager.
Your art, I gave you everything. You showed me your care on the disputes that was. You came into my life. You say you know the lie. I wonder why your side to this lie. They want the love of the wise. The truth must show you the story. It's time you need to understand. Love not before you be. Follow me to higher. Baby, no ask me why. I gave you my heart, my love. You know I try. My love not be pain. All the things and I got to say. Anybody with the young and the savvy. God bless me. Some people see the wonder. Follow me play around. It's a marriage job. Come for me, girl. I know you love my style. You know the reason why I pray. I know I'm crying. Come for me, girl. I know you love my style. You know the reason why I pray. I know I'm crying.
People now respect pass. Many people there about very great personality. Una too much water. Bini will not need map to say go Europe. They discuss and normal thing. Bini, I was at the bar where Europe. That was a Europe or I get a ticket with that. Oh yeah, Europe Irena. La moto no re Kanu. Wa was a Kanu La Mota Gardens. Gardens la montée de Roku, que de Roku la montée Benghazi, que Wase Saba la montée Tripoli. Wawa c'est Tripoli ou Fienzera, ou Italine. If I de la ask Marcelino. Oh, but not be small something. He not get house now. When we say you open not do. You know, say before any house opening, you must see you go Italy. You must see one person will go Europe. Whether you like it or not. That way we say. Person go the beer name, the motor way go the drive go be son name. You the year Osas Vovo Junior 190. Osade Ballet Mr. Push. That time I did read that year. After we I brought the sweet. But now my brother forget to Yahoo take over. Yahoo talk hey. You don't shut to say now. You will be saying now because I make you not make up for HQ. Don't look at this way, we go now. For that, they use that and they pump my head, they use a one group. And they take me that one. 7 years, the guy doesn't do Yahoo, he not pick. Only way till they pick now pins for kitchen. Before he can come back to us. But don't worry, Marcelino Day will teach you how to sing. I can see my pastor leader at Benedict himself one way, they say they know they push anyhow. Kevin Money is in the building. Baba K, you are sighted. I can also see another great personality in the house. The Wewe himself, Judewewe, Cambodia Lord. I also see another great man in the trust of Edo State. Only say no fat. The CEO of Boboske Lounge and Bar. Only say that the CEO way side chick Nofiki. That's CEO Boboske, I see you. And I see you, Alapi. The only man when they change anytime, they change like a thing. Anything we wear, we don't change. Yes, so I tell you just now, my brother. When you see say keyboardist, don't they fry here, you know say he passed on Azama. My brother, listen to if your sister they jump from one motor to another. Let her know now say not your GK get to. You don't know. By the time when they buy 500 naira fuel for less than 350, you know say go to seller. It doesn't get say. Not the young the 10 years again. And oh my God, now who never pick police the cash? Oh, they say my brother call me when police arrest you, call me. Now who never pick? Mommy. Oh, you too fine. All this one I see you when we say Sachi don't be key. As Sachi go be the key Bilima. That man know your try, they all go kill her away for Lagos. Sachi go be key Bilima, go here. Bilima, all the way from Yokoro, come here say Sachi go kill one Bilima, go carry 5 million for where? Bilima, the shop.
All this one when they all their money they don't pay them for the house when they never finish. They know the time when they take with the pull out. Tell me money. See, we know you say touching. Who be touching? Not when they pull touching. Now they control them. They say, I know that's how to. When Benin man goes down, this is the one president. The smoke of them come out of the cup. Oh, and then you know say mama na great. From Papa to Yokorio. My brother, now what he pay me? Now when I want to go UK last year, my grandma they look me. If they look me. I say, yeah, why they look me like this? I only want to go cry you come back now. I don't waste time for them. Not because they do like this. He say, joking, I crack all the way. He don't do have the ticket all the way, you know. I say, yeah. You leave that one. I say, yeah. Why is 600K at the ticket? When you can leave up our song, and they are not saying what I did. So like that kind of family you want to say, they want you searching to give program about that law. About we did here for pepper soup. Brother, when I don't wear white and white like this, they can't call it. If I not be this work you do again. But you collect us know whether you don't put HK. You know, say problem now when you enter court today, they call the fight that very day. And an area they started. That's what we call problem.
Because you got to call me the first mic for my hand. That means your joke don't finish. Joke not there again. But if I joke finish, forget, we know what we talk about. Now when you exhaust, now you call the nearest comedian. You call the user, you got to try nearest comedian and funny. You know they work. You want to be funny. Now comedian when joke finish, then they introduce other comedians. But that's all. Thank you for coming. That's how I reach. My brother, let's continue. MC Gossett is going to be back. Thank you very much, MC.
Kill him. This guy even deserve the standing ovation, if not because we not do this, appreciate artists for Benin. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Blackie Nero. He is a comedian with a different DJ Jama.
And you na pikin na boy, I just see come. What you make? Why this say na dey worry? Na mosquito dey do family meeting. You all dey worry like this. All your family, all your mosquito wey dey worry. You all know say man, stranger don come worry. And they worry na mosquito. They bite strangers. They no dey bite DJs. You see DJs for worry and don get bad. But they too tired. They go mosquito don near them. But you will be very console. The young writer, you will be getting you. If you want to for your year, let them collect 1 year. 1 year, let them collect. Why let them collect 1 year? Because my mosquito line will pursue you before 1 month end. Before month end like this, the mosquito don't chase you. And you go back up. You don't go collect the remaining 11 months money again. Hello? Hello? Oba Atokpe, where be say fish and people want call news? They'll say, hey, this are the road where I got that one over. They'll say, no, the Isha people make them pull leg. Isha people, they call this, Isha people, they want call this, they pull abomination for their white body. And now Igbo people, they don't see better name. If Igbo people want to make name, they want to give their pikin name. You they hear Amakama, Uzama, Adama, Galama, for Igbo.
Have you here?
But the man you say, which kind name got the other one? Amakama, Uzama,
Galama, please.
Five-star, you be classy, yeah. Got to be the glory.
Wait, at the where you MC? Come. Go sit down. I remember you would tonight. Where you take, you will come here again so that I will run inside. You hear us? Take.
Because I know say running at your hobby.
Everybody say, I go mama. Everybody say, I go mama. If you get level, you are full cast and down. If you don't get money, if you don't get that, if you don't get that, you be green, make you not lose, make you walk, make you not lose. So you know what they just say. If you don't get money, you go cost tomorrow. Money, power, respect, and live with myself. Oh, yeah, like when you get the time to work for me, they put this on one for, they put this on. What's up? Let's go say. Everybody say, I go mama. Everybody say, I go mama.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please quickly we are going to officially start this event. And of course we were told that the chief launchers, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that were invited, 5 years ago, okay, 5-6 years ago, if you know people like the MC one shower dread, also time. Can I see your hand up? Also time. They know this because they want from there, we went to CY Bar, so we did also, you know. So today, this album launch, everybody must participate. Doctor said, become Marcelo, enter plane, come. Our artist here, the guy did something for every one of us tonight. So we want to support him with this. So ladies and gentlemen, can I have the CD? Can I have the CDs, please? The CDs, please. Let me have the CDs. CDs support out there. But before then, I want to appreciate one of the finest female DJ in the Edo State. Get when fine when no herself. DJ when he looks at 5,000 a night, not going to help her. Now she enter DJ work. Ladies and gentlemen, people put their hands together. Now, if you know you are a female gender, listen, you are a female here, you suppose clap for this girl. Make some noise and put your hands together for DJ Sosa. DJ, show yourself. Now, woman or female DJ, what yourself. Get something, expose it. Yes, sir. Let's go there. Respect to all the Odogus in the building. If I don't make sure your name, don't be say, see my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, Pastor Wayne Norway, they give you. Let's provide you this man of God. You got to play this one. I said I'll play with you. Okay, look it up. Sosa. Look at them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you are coming to Benin for the first time, this is Edo State, and this is Benin City. Presently, our security situation there is 80. So please, if you are coming here for the first time, there's one area you should not enter. Don't enter the area they call Upper. Take note.
What did happen for there?
What did happen for there? Ask your mommy. Don't enter Upper. I know what they talk. Because presently, Edo State is a state where evil vigilante and they guide police station. I know what they talk. So please, beware of yourself. Are you ready? You not get what you put on? Now you didn't sell the CD. You be Marcelo sister. When I look for one girl, when you find, give me. No, not be woman. I not the fine woman. I girl the fine. I want your money for them. I put them down. Now you get the CD. Thank you, Diego. But I find one girl for me. Come on, joke. You're beautiful. You find out for you to dress put Nigeria flag easy. Are you a Benin girl? Watch out, Benin. Benin girls, you want to take the dress now. Wow. Because of that, they don't sell canvas again. Any girl wearing black supposed to wear trousers and slow sleeve. Now yellow people they wear any kind of canvas. You don't understand. If they don't buy this CD, so if they don't launch this CD, now you go. Myself, say I'm on your own. If they not, your younger sister or your elder, your younger. No more no first. Man, I'm not talking here now. Is your elder brother? Well, why you dark if? Now you senior for age, but not for money. Ladies and gentlemen, I have my brother, my friend in the building, my colleague, one pastor that is making wave in Edo State and across Nigeria. We call him Angry Pastor. Pastor. The great Pastor Zoe. Zoe, do like this, better see. Stand up, better see you. Because I hear the cousin on here, Pastor, where the cousin. Stand up, better see. Zoe, thank you for coming. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have cheap launcher. We're going to do it this way. We have family, we have friends. If you are here because of Marcelo, everywhere pepper soup. Wow, another way for this CDs. Pepper soup. Shit. It's sweet. Sweet. We're going to have all the lunches. Okay. Oh, that's supposed to start with this list. Okay. The lunchers. Okay. I don't even need the list. I know them. They are my people in Edo State. I don't need it, my brother. Don't worry. They are my people. Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting from one man that expects so much. A comedian. Wow. So, Marcelo, you don't say comedian for Edo State. We don't try for money matter. That make me put that number one. And one thing about this man, I don't know whether I go feel logistic where the way I want to. Because if you go Lagos, come back, go do something. I don't know how the situation will be. And the friend will be the first. Ladies and gentlemen, please, can you put your hands together for my brother, my friend? I will put the mic, but if you don't need one, if you don't want to talk, just tell me what you want to launch and then give you the CD. Oh, you follow me now? They say, let's start from her. The great, honorable Madiba. Do I know? Madiba, I shock you. Do I know? Launch for them. You are the first launcher. You are the first launcher here. Are you going to talk? The simple stuff for women get. Simple stuff for women get like that. Let's start from good as well. If you don't want mic, just talk to me. Talk to her and let's go. You want mic? Thank you.
I plan to support this city with 1 million naira. It was a plan, I say I plan to support the city with 1 million, but for now I'll do 10,000.
Okay, first 1,000, thank you. For now, thank you. So you're wait for 1 million? You know what I'm going now. Before I say 1, do 2,000. Cash or transfer, please. Cash, please. Go and collect the cash. I want to see the money. Collect the cash. I'm going to clap for that 10,000, the first launch of the day. Madiba, Honorable Madiba. Okay. We'll continue. Okay. He's going to give it. No worry, he'll give you. Don't worry. It's not like that. For me to wear white Luton, it is another way to do. He's going to give you. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our second luncheon here. But before I continue, I want to appreciate my boss, International Mr. Afolabi. I see you. But the way you take over, I'm not going to see you since. Thank you for coming, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, the next lecturer is our boss, personally. And I was told to give him the mic, but I don't know if he's going to talk or he's going to tell me God sent to see what I'm doing. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I hand over to our second lecturer, our boss, and honorable to the call. Yes, great Cambodian Lodge. Jimmy, that's the MD Cambodian Lodge. Mother, clap now, come on. Boss, Marcelo said I invite you, so I know, huh? The guy wanted you, now you people say, no, you. No, you go this your body now. I'll say, no. Daddy, you want to talk, sir? Okay, no need to talk. Marcelo, wow. Who see that different? Do they bring the money different? Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Is that from Cambodia Lodge? Come. Where the girl now? They don't launch her now. Where the money when they launch? I don't see them. Oh, they let them see them. Cambodia Lodge gave us 50 United States of America dollars. Judway, that is this from you? $50. One and clap now. Know how much? Thank you, Marcelo. $15. Oh, you say that your sister say I give her more. $15. I can see Baba K. Baba K, now you the LPC, now your turn. Baba K, now you bring her come out. Baba K, Marcelo said me the lunch for her. Come. Baba K, now that I go use that. Another one. Oh, Baba K, you will launch my marriage now. Baba K, you are going to launch my marriage now. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, Baba K, $50. Wanna clap now? Wanna the clap now? Lunch and deal now. Now let me they pay me come here with this. Thank you. $50. No, they put on top. Maybe they see and they see the CD. You don't give her the CD. Are you sure? How many you give her? One. For give her 10. Baba K, let's wait. My marriage now. August 15. I bet launch her. Baba K, the launcher. Baba K, the launch. If you feel launch for me, I don't say the man. Cambodia arrest. Let me talk to my chairman. Baba K, offer. Oh, if you do this thing, what you want to, if you do that, Baba K, $50 for me. Do you want to help me? No, did I call you? Did I call you? Is this launching? You are doing CD launching. I'm doing marriage launching. What's wrong with you? Okay. God bless you. Thank you very much. $50. Come out again for another launching. But now for my marriage launching. So my marriage plan will start tomorrow morning. I keep my own. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the next person there. Bros Alpha, carry the chair come. Carry and come. This I want to leave you. You know how they do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a process. Baba, launch up for them. You know, that's what we need to do by here. Marcelo, boss say now you bring account, say want to transfer for you. The launching, please, quickly. Send it. Not to let this girl. You don't get young guests. Other girls when they walk. Oh God. Ladies and gentlemen, as we were talking, and of course, as we were doing the launching, my brother, my friend, a very funny comedian came in. Yes, you guys know him. You know him very well. The great Dasent. Dasent, I see you, bro. Video account, Babake. Babake, I'm not really. See the check my pocket, I don't have $15. Let me check out here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. But I launch one of the record. Sammy said, Sammy, Marcelo, what do you wait for you? Go help us. I'll say he states, he will do something by states. And the family, you should be proud. You should be proud. I was told that everybody in your person is here. Thank you very much, Babaske. Babaske, thank you very much. Who never learned? Why you say, leave my time amendment? Come. Go where? Cambodia, sit down. If you come out, they follow you and know them. Now that is the man. That is your launching, please. Mona si put Nigeria money now. Okay, make the pay account. Please bring the account here, please. Bring the account number here. Bring the account number quickly. Bring the account number. Do we have the account to different kind of countries? My sister support her. Babaske, how many lunches you don't want to let you carry all the CDs? Babaske, say, you want to give me a account? And Echo Bank, I know. God, has he done his own? He's doing it. Marcelino, are you receiving a lot? Please be telling me. Check your phone, please. I'm not going to do show when they're not was the so God. Madiba. No money, your marriage plans, you don't work today. Anything I get, now you'll get the 50 first, maybe they believe for the clothes. If clothes come and take it from the club has $50. It clothes also.
Everything
To represent this state and the most popular nation, Nigeria, black nation we have across the world, Nigeria. The man sing one song, the songs scatter everywhere.
Anything when you pass over this world, everything you get is me.
last time we saw was at Bazu when you interviewed me. You are doing well. I've always been watching your program on Instagram, on YouTube, and Gorilla TV.
Mr. Bro, I hope to see you up there, bro.
No shaking.
Now, man, I hope you have for coronavirus. Now, man, you be juju.
Yes, yo. As you can see right now, it's Marcelino album launch, and we are here, and it's
What's up? Let's go, say. Everybody say, I everything oh my God, everybody bless me with his money. Yeah, make I go stand out here whenever my phone is gone. Yeah, credit alerts gone. Make I know they so. Plenty money for the hazard. Yeah. Everybody say I go up, I be the everybody say I go up, my video.
You think say na clear person take bath, wear sneakers, come beer parlor, the other for 3-3. My brother, let me just tell you. If you see people they laugh you, they tell you say your mates they build house, you no fit build. Your mates they buy car, you no fit buy. Tell and say for you to sleep, wake up for this country is already an achievement. Killing everywhere. Dear money, I see you. The way they dress, you know they dress like cameraman at all. Like they dress like upcoming Yahoo boy. A cameraman before. This life, man.